stop abusing Excel. Welcome back to Perth Power BI channel. Today I'm going to show you how to analyze salesperson performance in a way Excel simply can't handle. Most companies evaluate salespeople using spreadsheets like this. You see columns like salesperson's ID, name, revenue, win rate, and then someone tries to figure out who's doing well. But we are so terrible at spotting patterns in tables. So instead of staring at numbers, let's visualize the performance. In this dashboard, we will start with scatter plot. Microsoft recommended to use it to find out outliers. Combining with the cluster, which is similar to a bin group and scatter, we could find out different performance group very quickly. Here, we drag the salesperson's name into values and revenue into x-axis and win rate into y-axis. We want to see the relationship of average win rate and the revenue, so we change the sum of win rate to average of win rate. Now we can see each dots representing a salesperson and their performance. In the previous video, I have explained how to create a quadrant visual. You may check the link if you haven't watched it. We can point to the three dots on top of the visual and select the built-in function automatically find clusters. We can change the number of clusters, which means how many types of group you want to see. I am not changing it for now, and let's see the result first. So the auto cluster split the data into 4 groups with the default names of cluster 1, 2, 3, 4, separate in different colors. Each group should represent a set of data in close distance. It is very helpful to let audience immediately sort the performance by group without manually involve. If 4 clusters are not what you want, you can find the cluster groups in the legend. Right-click to edit clusters and change the number of clusters as you want. We will use 6 here to be an example. Now there are 2 more colors added into the legend. With 6 clusters, each color now represents a distinct type of salesperson performance. You can immediately see finer distinctions than with just 4 groups. One cluster shows high revenue and high win rate, your top performers. Another shows lower revenue but similar win rate, indicating salespeople who are efficient at closing deals but are handling smaller opportunities or fewer clients. The remaining clusters capture other performance in low revenue, but including high, middle, and low win rate. In the end, this approach transforms your raw sales data into actionable insights without manually scanning rows of numbers. That's the power of clustering in Power BI. It turns complexity into clarity and spreadsheets into strategic tools. Thanks for watching. This is Perth Power BI. If you have any question or require a data consultant for your business, feel free to leave a comment or contact us, and we will see you next week.